Here is how we determine the nearest tower or site or POI or POP to the FO cable. If we have numerous tower points and aim to connect them to the existing FO cable, this method can be utilized. What we derive from this method includes 1. The number of towers that we can connect to the FO cable based on the designated distance, 2. The planned distance for laying the FO cable. Okay, let's start. Display all tower points and show the existing FO cable route. Display the joint box closure points. In the processing toolbox, select Distance to nearest hub, Line to hub. Input all tower points in the source point layer and place the joint box closure points in the destination hub layer. Choose the length unit, meters/kilometers, and click Run. Once the results are generated, you will see all tower points along with their distances from the joint box closure. In this video, I will select all tower points under 500 meters. Access the attribute table layer and toggle for editing. Remove all tower points above 500 meters. After obtaining all tower points closest to the existing FO cable within 500 meters, proceed with planning the FO cable route to connect to the joint box closure. Choose the ORS plugin and select Batch Jobs, then Points, 2 layers. Input all tower points under 500 meters in the Start ID field and the joint box closure point in the End ID field. Click Run. And you'll have the complete FO cable route plan. Access the attribute table to view destinations, KM. Thank you for watching.